The Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara has achieved a landmark 5-star Bharat NCAP safety rating, making it India's first global EV to earn this distinction. It scored top marks in both Adult Occupant Protection, 31.4932, and Child Occupant Protection, 43.49, cementing its position as one of the safest electric SUVs in the country. Key highlights of the e-Vitara's Bharat NCAP rating. Award date: December 2, 2025. Certification: presented by Shri Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways. Safety score: Adult Occupant Protection, AOP 31.4932. Child Occupant Protection, COP 43.49. Safety features: standard across all variants. 7 airbags, including driver's knee airbag. Level 2 ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Electronic Stability Program, ESP. Hill Hold Control. ABS with EBD and Brake Assist. Multi-collision braking. 360-degree camera. Significance: India's first global EV with 5-star Bharat NCAP sets a new benchmark for electric SUVs in India. 4th consecutive 5-star for Maruti Suzuki, following Dzire, Victoris, and Invicto. Dual recognition: also received a 5-star Euro NCAP rating in September 2025, showing global safety compliance. What this means for buyers: peace of mind. Families can trust the e-Vitara for both adult and child safety. EV adoption boost. Strong safety credentials make EVs more appealing in India. Competitive edge. Positions Maruti Suzuki as a leader in safe, affordable EVs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.
Thank you.